Last but not least, I don't know what this is. I just felt it was granted a video. This is such a pretty box. I want to say thank you to Murad. And we're not sure, again, what this is. It just says a better skin barrier awaits. This is new. I don't know what it is. And I want to share with you guys what this is. Let's see, just going to do it together. Y'all, I love skincare. Especially as I'm aging, you know. Oh, look what they sent me. Murad. Oh my God. This is the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. Oh my God. This is the mask. And then this is the moisturizer. Fighting dryness. They hear me. Murad, y'all hear me. Y'all know I got dry skin. Thank you so much, ladies. This right here. Oh my God. This is... Murad, thank you. Y'all, okay, ladies. Let's just get into each product. I wanted to do something really simple, nice and sweet. This here is the Cellular Hydration Repair Serum. It says here it repairs damaged skin by enforcing peptides and reducing water loss. Use after cleansing. Use AM and PM. So this is a good serum. At least you know you have a serum you can use day and night. Okay, so this one here, the second one, this little jar, this is a hydration cream. This one here is a refined bilberry seed oil to provide essential fatty acids, which is really good for the skin, and healthy barriers of omega-3 and 6. This is a after serum, use AM and PM. This is really good. This is really good. Okay, I'm excited. Oh my God. This here is a mask. I love a good mask. I did a mask the other day. Oh my God. Okay, so this one here, this is a soothing Canadian willow herb that supports skin with antioxidants like benefits by reducing damage from stress. Use overnight. So this is a night mask. This is a night mask. Y'all, let me know, what are you using? I know, I'm gonna be honest with you, back in the day, my great aunt, she was 98, possibly 99, I'm not too sure according to the year. But back then they didn't use skincare. My aunt used a bar of ivory soap to the day she died. And her skin was amazing, amazing. And you know, I know now that we use so many products, and these products are definitely good for our skin, you know, but let me know what you're using. Just let me know what you're using. I am thoroughly excited about this. I do have dry skin, y'all, and I have been really being very mindful of not trying to use, like, you know, I love a good matte foundation. I love a good mattifying primer, but I know as I'm getting old, that's something that I can't keep using. I do need to go into the hydration world and the natural finish and the luminous and all the things. But it all starts from within, you know, eating well, drinking water, and having a good skincare regimen and knowing what your skin needs. So let me know if you've ever tried Murad, if you've ever seen it in the stores, and if you did, what was your thoughts, what was your opinions? You know, let me know. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. I hope you enjoyed my skincare little part 1, part 2, part because I wanted to share with you guys exactly what I'm using on my skin, in addition to caring for myself on the inside, you know, eating well, drinking water, being stress-free, all the things. So I hope you enjoyed. I definitely shared some new products. I got some surprises as well. I'm so thankful. But let me know, you know, what are you guys using? You know, I know some of us have to switch up. Some of us don't. And, you know, I'm one of those who can switch up. But let me know. Keep me posted. I just want to know what you guys are using for your skincare and how you're taking care of your skin. And if you are using, like, you know, soaps, let me know. Because I'm going to be honest, my great aunt used a bar of soap, like I said, until she left us. In addition to that, when I was younger, I used a bar of soap. When I was younger, I always use bar soap. You know, we didn't have, I mean, shower gel was out, you know, but it was like you used the bar soap. You know what I mean? So let me know, you know, let me know. Again, I hope you guys enjoy.